Oh, hi people. I wanted to publish new video tutorial because many people face problem related to Explorer crashes. There are two options where you can fix that issue. Actually, three ways. Clear option is three. Because in the past I didn't know about that and it was causing my Windows to crash frequently. Uh, because when you use Windows, all informations what you done in the past are being stored in Windows registry. Over time, it is getting bigger and bigger, and it can cause your Windows Explorer to crash. Why I'm saying this? Because when we go to registry editor, I would rather to run as administrator. There's like history entries. Each time when you open a folder, Windows is saving those information to registry 3. I just have to think, where did I go? No, shell. Uh, uh, software, Microsoft. Shell. Where did I go last time? Because I can't remember. Forgive me. I just have to think, where did I go last time? Probably here. I think I was in that catalog. Hockey classes root. In one of the folders called where this was. Local settings. Software Microsoft Windows. Shell. You can see bugs. This is what I was talking about. Anytime when you open up a folder or catalog, this entry grows. Over time, it is getting huge, and it causes your uh, Windows Explorer to crash. For example, I will be opening more than a couple of times folders, and if you don't clean Windows that way, see what happens now. You can see we have got unnecessary folders. You can either use a Shellbug Analyzer, or you can manually delete those unnecessary entries. Why I am doing this? Because your Windows Explorer will not crash. But you can use a program which is designed for doing that. It's called the Shellbug Analyzer. It finds any entries. What folder have you opened last time? I think we will have to add it to zip file, add it to archive, and again try to open up lots of folders at the same time. It is getting huge and grows over time. I don't have any Explorer crashes at the moment because I'm using those techniques to avoid the Explorer crashes. Again, we will refresh. Sorry, forgive me if it takes little bit longer. I don't know why Windows Explorer, why Windows Registry Editor uh, works slower than Windows 10. Well, you can see we again have history entries, and again I will open up Savag Analyzer. Oh, I don't like wayback apps. Is it possible to avoid creating backups? Okay, let's check how does this work. Oh yes, I can see that. Oh, you can actually use advanced option. I didn't see that option. This tool is also free, people. And I hope you like my video tutorial about that. I was publishing in the past, but I wanted to be more accurate about that, so you will no longer get crashes. The only one exception is when you use CD Explorer skill can crash. When you use a DVD recorder, and I mean CD for recording the DVDs. See you people, bye.